Hi guys, and welcome to Card Making with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute welcome baby chest of drawers card. We're making it for a girl, and it has a beautiful molding, lots of embellishments, and it's just so gorgeous. It opens up like this and it stands like an actual chest. So cute. Let's make it. Hi guys, so this is everything you need for this welcome baby card. The first thing you're going to do with this card is create the base for the chest. So I'm going to use this die cut to cut out a piece at the bottom here that makes it look like a chest. It came from this set right here. I'm going to cut off maybe just a half of an inch of this base. So I'm lining up the die and I'm making sure it's equal. So that's just about 1 point under 1/4 inch. We're going to make sure this is also right. So we need to take it around a little bit. Right, now that this is equal, I'm going to stick it down with some washi tape so we can cut it out. That's perfect. Now we're going to do some scoring. I'm going to take your scoreboard, and this is 11 inches, so we're going to score at 5.5 inches. And fold and burnish. And your base card is made. We're going to put this at the side. Let's build the drawers. For the drawers, you're going to have 6 pieces. 3 pieces are 3 7/8 by 1 1/4, and then you have 3 pieces that are 3 3/4 by 1 1/8, and we're going to layer these on top of this like so. So we have 3 drawers that have a beautiful border on each one of them. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to put in the knobs for the drawers, and for the knobs I've cut out 1/4 inch circles in gold, and we're going to add a dimensional to the back of them. It is simply a smaller piece of foam. So all our knobs are made. Now I'm going to build the sentiment to the front of the card. And to build this, I have cut out a couple 3/4 inch squares, and then these are 5/8 of an inch square. All right, so we're going to stick one of these as a top layer to this beautiful gold, like this, and we want it centered nicely because it's a stitched square. You see how beautiful that looks. And now I'm going to take the B, put a little bit of glue, and stick this B right in the middle of that. Center it to make sure it sticks down well. And I'm going to do this for B, A, B, Y. Now that we have baby finished, I'm going to add a 1/2 inch square piece of foam at the back to give it some dimension coming off the card. So it looks like this. So our word baby is done and stuck on dimensionals. We can put it over here. So now we have all the knobs that we put foam behind, like this. And I'm going to add these to the drawers. All right, so we want to ensure that these things are centered for each side of the card, and then I'm going to use my ruler to measure. So you see we have 3/4 inch and then 1 inch, and we have 3/4 inch here as well, and then the 1 inch. I like how that looks, and I think it's centered this way as well. 1/2 inch, just about 1/2 inch. So I'm going to add a little dot with my pencil where this is supposed to be. And I'm going to add a dot over here as well. And I'm going to make sure these dots are equal. All right, so you see how that's 7/8 of an inch, and this is also 7/8 of an inch. 5/8 up and 5/8 down. So this is where we want to put the knobs. So I'm going to add all of these together, and I'm going to use my T-square ruler to make sure I get the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8. That's how it's there. And I feel as though this looks really good. It looks centered to me. All right, we're going to let that dry, and we're going to work on the top molding. So for the top molding for our chest of drawers, I have 3 pieces of paper. So what we're going to do is I'm going to stick this on the top of this like so. And then I'm going to stick the 1/8 on top of this one, just like so. This is 4.5. I'm going to make a mark, a very small mark at 4 3/8 and 1/8, and we're going to cut this. I'm going to show you how. We're going to cut this from the top here till this mark right here, just like so. And that's the top molding. Look at that, that is so cute. Right, so we'll put this down, and now we're gonna put this at the back of the top molding like so. And this is a dimensional to raise it off the card. Again, remember this is a chest of drawers, so you want it to look authentic, like an actual chest. So we have that stuck down. We're gonna put that aside and wait. And we have these, and these are to be stuck behind the actual drawers for the chest. So our drawers are done, our molding is done, and our sentiment is done. Let's work on the inside of the card. I have this for the inside of the card. It measures 4 by 5 1/4. So we have the sentiment for the inside now. It's going to be welcome baby. I have this beautiful cut out baby sentiment. So I'm going to cut this down to 3 3/4 by 5. And we want to make sure this comes above the 3, so it's centered on the card. I've taken a piece of paper that is 2 inches by 1 inch and 1/8, and I've cut it diagonally, so I have a little blanket for the baby. I have made some really cute little embellishments for the card. So I've made a really sweet little onesie and a hanger and a rattle and a pin, and we're gonna put this whole card together now. So let's get started with that. So the first thing you're gonna do to put your card together is you're gonna mark up your drawers and your molding and make sure they all fit really nicely in the card. So you're going to center everything so that everything has a really nice space. How beautiful does that look? Next, I'm going to install the baby. So we're going to put it's going to come in between these. So B, I'm thinking A, then B, then Y. That looks cute. so much for joining me as we made this gorgeous welcome baby card. So cute. If you like this video, be sure to actually give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends.